You have been cleaning your car seats the wrong way your entire life. Every single time you scrubbed, sprayed, and wasted your money on those expensive foam cleaners from the store, you were playing right into the hands of billion-dollar corporations who need you to stay ignorant. There's a product sitting in your bathroom right now. It costs less than $1, and it cleans fabric car seats better than anything you have ever bought from an auto shop. The detailing industry does not want you to know this. Professional car detailers charge between $150 and $400 for interior cleaning. They use the same trick I am about to show you. They just repackaged it in a fancy bottle and tripled the price. You're going to be shocked. You're going to be angry, and you are never going to overpay for car seat cleaning again. Stay until the end, because the last tip is going to completely change the way you think about cleaning forever. Look at your car seats right now. Really look at them. What do you see? Sweat stains from last summer, coffee that spilled during the morning rush, kids' juice that dried into a sticky mess weeks ago, mud from that rainy day you forgot to take your shoes off, food crumbs ground so deep into the fabric you cannot even remember what they were. This is not just embarrassing, this is a health problem. Fabric car seats trap bacteria, dust mites, allergens, and odors deep inside the fibers. You breathe that air every single day. Your kids breathe that air. And what do most people do about it? They go to the auto store and drop $25 on a can of upholstery cleaner. Does it work? Maybe a little, for maybe 2 weeks. Then the stains come back, then the smell comes back. Then you buy another can. That is $300 a year just on cleaning products that do not even work properly. Or they take their car to a professional detailer. Have you seen those prices lately? A basic interior detail starts at $150. A full deep clean with steam and conditioning? Easily $350 to $400. And they book weeks in advance. You sit in your dirty car for another month waiting for an appointment. Some people just give up completely. They put seat covers over the stains and pretend the problem does not exist. The smell stays. The bacteria stays. The resale value of your car drops every single month those stains sit there untreated. Dealerships know this. When you trade in a car with stained seats, they drop your trade-in value by hundreds of dollars. Then they clean those same seats with this exact secret I'm about to show you and resell the car for full price. You lose. They win. That is the game they have been playing for decades. Here is what they never wanted you to figure out. Back in the 1950s, American households started using a simple foam-based product for something completely unrelated to cars. It was shaving cream. Basic, plain, white foam shaving cream. Not gel. Not the fancy moisturizing kind with 6 added ingredients. Just the original white foam that costs about $1 at any drugstore. Textile chemists during that era understood exactly how this foam worked on fabric fibers. The surfactants in shaving cream are designed to lift and suspend oils, proteins, and dirt particles at the molecular level. Your skin and fabric fibers have more in common than you think. Both are porous. Both trap oils and organic matter deep inside. The exact same lifting mechanism that shaving cream uses to clean skin works on woven fabric. Car seat manufacturers actually knew this in the early automotive boom years. Factory workers used it informally on production lines to clean fabric test samples before inspection. But then, the detailing industry emerged as a serious business in the 1960s and 1970s. Companies realized that if people discovered this cheap, universal solution, an entire product category would collapse. So they developed proprietary formulas, gave them technical-sounding names, and marketed them aggressively through dealerships and auto stores. They sponsored how-to guides that never mentioned shaving cream. They trained detailers to keep quiet about it. And for about 70 years, it worked. The information got buried under layers of advertising and brand loyalty. What I am about to show you has been sitting in plain sight this entire time. Only a tiny fraction of people actually know and use this method. The detailers who do know protect it like a trade secret. One professional detailer who worked for a luxury dealership for over a decade told me that this was the one thing they were explicitly told never to mention to customers. They spent fortunes keeping this quiet, because the moment you know this, you stop buying their products forever. Here is exactly how you do this and why each step matters. You need 1 can of plain white foam shaving cream. Any drugstore brand works. You do not need anything expensive. You need a clean microfiber cloth, a soft bristle brush, and a small bucket of lukewarm water. Nothing else. Start by vacuuming the seat thoroughly. You want to pull out the loose debris first, so you're not pushing dirt deeper when you apply the foam. Get into every seam and crevice. This step is not optional. Skipping the vacuum is the #1 mistake people make. Now shake your can of shaving cream and apply a generous layer directly onto the stained area. Do not be shy with it. Cover the entire stain and a few inches around it. You will see the white foam sitting on top of the fabric. Leave it there. Do not touch it yet. Let it sit for exactly 3 minutes. This waiting period is critical. The surfactants need time to penetrate the fabric fibers and begin breaking down the oils and proteins bonded to the threads. After 3 minutes, take your soft bristle brush and work the foam into the fabric using small circular motions. You will immediately notice the foam starts changing color. It is pulling the dirt out of the fibers and suspending it in the foam. Keep working in circles, applying gentle but consistent pressure. For really stubborn stains, you can add a tiny additional puff of foam and continue brushing. Now take your damp microfiber cloth and begin wiping away the foam. Use straight strokes moving in one direction to avoid spreading the lifted dirt back into the fabric. Rinse your cloth frequently in the bucket of water. Wipe until all the foam is gone. Now look at the fabric. The stain is gone, not faded, gone. The fibers look refreshed. The color is restored. And here's something that surprises everyone the first time they try this. The seat actually smells clean. Not perfumed, not covered up. Actually clean. Because the foam lifted the organic material that was causing the odor, not just masked it with fragrance. This is what you have been paying detailers $400 to do, with a dollar product that was sitting in your bathroom cabinet. Let me show you something even more powerful. This method works on every single type of fabric stain inside your car. Coffee and tea stains, which are tannin-based and notoriously stubborn, dissolve completely with shaving cream because the surfactants break tannin bonds. Grease and food oil stains, which are the worst for car seats, lift out completely because foam shaving cream is literally formulated to dissolve skin oils, which are chemically very similar to food oils. Mud and dirt stains, even the dried, ground-in kind that seems permanent, break apart as the foam rehydrates and loosens the soil particles. Juice and soda stains, which leave that sticky, attract more dirt residue, come out clean with no residue left behind. Even ink stains, which are notoriously difficult, respond well to this method with a slightly longer sitting time of 5 minutes instead of 3. The only stain that requires a different approach is blood, which is protein-based and needs cold water rather than foam. Everything else in your car, every mystery stain, every embarrassing mark, every ghost of a spill you forgot about, all of it responds to this method. For door panel fabric, use the same technique with a smaller brush. For carpet, apply the foam generously, let it sit, scrub, and blot out with a dry towel instead of a damp cloth. For headliner fabric, which is the sealing of your car, work very gently and do not let moisture soak through to the backing material. Use minimal foam and maximum patience. Each surface inside your car responds to this method with the same stunning result. You will not believe you were paying for anything else. Now, let me give you the professional level tips that even most detailers do not know. First, always do a patch test on a hidden area before doing a full clean. Different fabric dyes react differently to extended contact, and you want to be sure your specific seat fabric is color fast. Test a small area under the seat first. Second, never use shaving gel. The formula is completely different. You need the classic white aerosol foam. Third, work in sections no larger than about 12 inches square. If you try to cover the entire seat at once, the foam dries out before you can work it in properly, and you lose the cleaning action. Fourth, for really deep set stains, do a double application. Apply foam, wait 3 minutes, wipe away, then apply again immediately and scrub the second round. The second pass picks up whatever the first pass loosened but did not fully extract. Fifth, finish every cleaned section with a pass of dry microfiber to absorb any remaining moisture. This speeds up drying time and prevents watermarks from forming as the seat dries. Sixth, for odor elimination specifically, after you finish cleaning, sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda over the damp seat, let it sit for 20 minutes while the seat dries, then vacuum it off. The baking soda absorbs any residual odor particles the foam lifted but did not fully remove. This combination of shaving cream and baking soda is the same fundamental chemistry those $40 odor elimination products use, combined into a 2-step process that costs you about $2 total. Your car will smell factory new, not air freshener new, actually clean new. This is the level of result that people pay premium detailing prices for, and you can do it yourself every single month if you want. If you made it here, you are already ahead of 99% of car owners who are still throwing money at products that do half the job at 10 times the price. This works. Try it today. Go get a can of plain white foam shaving cream if you do not have one already. Pick the worst stain in your car, the one you have been embarrassed about for months, the one you thought was permanent, and use exactly the method I showed you. Then come back here and tell me what happened in the comments. I want to see your before and after results. And if this changed the way you think about car care, do the one thing that helps this channel keep exposing these secrets. Hit like right now, subscribe so you never miss the next reveal. Because the next video I am releasing is going to expose the $8 ingredient that completely removes rust from your car's exterior. Not slows it, not covers it, removes it. The auto body industry has been hiding this one since the 1960s, and the reveal is going to make you furious in the best possible way. You have been cleaning your car wrong. Now you know the truth. Share this with every car owner you know, because everyone deserves to stop being taken advantage of.